In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add posts and pages in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or a newbie looking to enhance your web presence, mastering this essential skill will empower you to share your thoughts, ideas, and content with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to wordpress.com. This is the main hub where you'll manage your blog or website. Once you're there, find the login option, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking login, you'll be given a few choices for signing in. Today we'll keep things simple by clicking on continue with Google. This option uses your Google account credentials to access WordPress, ensuring a seamless and secure process without the hassle of remembering another password. Choose the Google account you wish to use, and once you're in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, the first thing we'll do is look for the Posts option. Clicking Posts on the left-hand menu will take you to a list of all your published and draft blog entries. To add a new post, find and click the Add New Post button. This will open a fresh page where you can start creating your content. Sitting down to write a post is where the creativity begins. You'll see a space to add your title, and this is your chance to grab your audience's attention. Beneath that, there's a large area for your blog content. Remember, your post can include text, images, and links, really whatever you need to make your point clear and engaging. Once you're satisfied with your post, make sure to save your work by clicking the Publish button in the top right corner. This will make your post live on your website. Now let's move on to adding pages. From the dashboard, navigate back by clicking on Pages. This section works similarly to posts, but is generally used for static content like your About or Contact pages. To create a new page, select Add New Page. Here you have the choice of starting with a blank page or selecting a theme that aligns with your brand style and tone. Like posts, you'll start with a title and fill in your content. Be mindful of the layout and design. WordPress offers various tools to help you create visually appealing pages. Once everything looks just the way you envisioned, go ahead and click on Publish. This ensures your page is accessible to everyone visiting your site. And there you have it, adding posts and pages in WordPress made simple. This process helps streamline your content creation, enabling you to focus on delivering quality material to your audience. Stick around for more tutorials, and as always, happy blogging.